Hello, in this video we will show you how you can cite reference a particular ebook from the eBook Central Library. Using the last example from the previous video of how to search for an ebook, we are on the Anatomy and Physiology for Dummies book. You will notice on the information page of the book there will be a Cite button as the last option on the left side of the screen. Click on that. Now a pop-up menu will appear on the screen, giving you the ebook reference in MLA format. To change the format to a more commonly used referencing format, such as Harvard, click on MLA and a drop-down menu will appear giving you a variety of formats. Just click on Harvard. Once you click on Harvard, you will notice that the referencing format has changed on screen. To copy the text, either hold down the left cursor on your mouse to select the text from beginning to end and either right-click and select the copy option or press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy.